Hi there, it's Fahim here. I am an expert in WordPress websites. Whether it's theme customization or creating a website from scratch, I can handle it all. I can create eye-catching, fully responsive, SEO friendly and professional looking personal, business, blogging and e-commerce websites, etc. In this video, I am showing you a business site that I recently created for a digital marketing agency. Take a look at the site on your screen. So start from home page and we will check all the page, and don't worry, later on I will show you how this website look like on tablet and mobile device. So start from home page. So start from this hero section. I created this beautiful hero section, and if you noticed, I create some animated tiny objects that look like so beautiful in the background. In this hero section, I add a picture, some text, a beautiful button here, and after this button I add this video button here. After this hero section I add this beautiful looking heading section, and below this section I add some services that company provided. You see here a beautiful looking services card here, and when we hover on these cards you see a beautiful gradient effects. And below this section I add this section, and after this section I add this beautiful looking section, and again in the background I add some tiny animated objects again, you see here. And after this section I add this beautiful looking section in which I explain about different projects, and you see here a beautiful looking cards here, a picture, some text and a beautiful looking button here. And after this UI UX design, if I click below on this web design, you see some more services load here. After this branding services, and at the end of this home section I created this beautiful looking testimonial section, you see here. And after this section I add a simple looking footer here. So it's time to check our services page. If I click here, in this services section I add this beautiful looking header section in which I add some tiny animated objects in the background. Below this services header section I add this beautiful looking heading here, and after this heading I briefly tell about the different services that company provided. You see a beautiful looking card section here, and if you hover on these cards you see a gradient effect in the background of these cards that looks so beautiful. And after this services card section I add this section, and at the end of this services page I add this beautiful looking pricing section in which the customers of this company can choose plan according to their needs. So it's time to check our blog page, and this page show all the posts that we created. A single blog page, and at the end of this single blog you see some similar post section below this, and after this comment section. So it's time to check our about page. Finally we see our contact us page. So now check our website on this tablet device, and I will show you only the home page, and you see there is no difference in PC and tablet device when we check our website. And the real problem is that when we check our website pages on mobile device, so later on I will show you all the pages of this website on mobile device, and I will show you that all the pages are fully responsive. So start from this hero section, you see it's fully responsive for this tablet device. It's time to check our website responsiveness on mobile. I open my site in inspect mode, and so start from this home page. You see every section of this website is fully responsive. Now check this services page responsiveness on mobile device. You see every section of this services page is also fully responsive on this mobile device. and at the end this beautiful looking pricing section. So now check our blog page on this mobile device. You see this blog page is also fully responsive on this mobile device. Check about us page on this mobile device. This page is also fully responsive on this device. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for checking out this video, and if you are looking for a fully responsive SEO friendly business blogging personal portfolio or e-commerce website, please feel free to contact me.